I'm Dr. Satish Gottumukkula. We do our own in-house milk crowns, but for more complex cases, I use Vitality. So we just saw Alex. He came to the office one day with a broken tooth and a lot of pain. We took out the tooth same day, placed an immediate implant. 4 to 6 months later, post-healing, comes back. We take out our prime scan, send it to Vitality again, and then today was the final day. We inserted it, fit like a glove, consistent contacts, occlusion, good aesthetics. Patient was very happy. We do a very comprehensive approach. We never pressure a patient into doing anything. We just say, this is what I would do if this is what I'm presented with. Technology and the labs now are helping me pursue that. And I've been doing implants, reconstruction, bone grafting, sinus lifts, some impactions, all kinds of surgery. And I've been using multiple labs, but for the last 7-8 years, I've stuck with Vitality because they give me consistent results. Great customer service for complex aesthetic cases. There's Jerry Senior for demanding patients, for great aesthetic work and quality. It's always been consistent, as many services as they do, and that fits my practice. I stick with them. That's why I'm happy with Vitality.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.